Good morning. Here I'm going to talk about the subject analysis and design of algorithms. In short, we call it as ADA. We are going to discuss about the first unit, the introduction chapter. Here in this introduction, we are going to discuss about what an algorithm is and how to write an algorithm. What are the various important points to remember to write an algorithm? There are various methods to solve the same problem. So how to write an algorithm for each and every method, and few examples for writing an algorithm. And then we are going to discuss about the fundamentals of algorithmic problem solving. So thereby we will be learning the analysis of algorithm efficiency. This is what the first unit, first topic that we wanted to discuss is about. First, we discuss about a notion of an algorithm. An algorithm is a sequence of unambiguous instructions for solving a problem. That's for obtaining a required output for any legitimate input in a finite amount of time. Algorithms are written for a specific problem and a specific method to solve the problem. The algorithms are written for a computer to solve the problem. Every algorithm needs an input and it produces an output. The points to remember while writing an algorithm. The unambiguity requirement for each step of an algorithm. This cannot be compromised. The range of input for which an algorithm works has to be specified carefully. The same algorithm can be represented in different ways. There can be several algorithms for solving the same problem that may exist. And algorithms for the same problem can be based on very many different ideas, and it can solve the problem with dramatically different speeds. Students, please try to remember these important 5 points to write an algorithm. Unambiguous requirement, the range of input, different ways to represent an algorithm, and several algorithms that may exist to solve the same problem. Algorithm for the same problem can be based on different ideas. Say for example, we are going to discuss about how to find a GCD, greatest common divisor, of two integers using different methods. The first method is, suppose if we take two number m and n to find the GCD of this m and n, step number 1 is, if n is equal to 0, return the value of m as the answer and stop. Otherwise, proceed to the next step. Step number 2 is, divide the m by n and assign the value to the remainder r. Step number 3 is assign the value of n to m and the value of r to n and go to this step 1. This is one method. The other methods you may know by using the factorization division. We take the common divisor to divide the number till the number cannot be divisible by any further numbers. Then we do the factors for both the numbers. 2 times 2 will be taken as 1 times 2. 2 times 3 will be taken as 1 times 3, like that. Then we multiply and tell that's what the GCD of these two numbers. These are the simplest examples for writing an algorithm.